this basically is a ferrocell. This is a rather large ferrocell. This is 5 3/16 inch disc, and if it's in my large ferrocell holder, I think it's 5 3/16. Let me measure it if I can remember. Yeah, it's about 5 1/8 actually, according to this measuring tape. Doesn't matter. 5 1/8. And this is not a bad ferrocell. It's not flat glass. It's about 1/8 acrylic. It's actually some crazy metric non-equivalent. But anyways, so we have a ferrocell which has some kind of neat effects. You can sort of see my house here. It doesn't matter. That's plants. And you can see outside. Anyways, so got my picture of Donald Trump. Say hello, Donnie. And so that's ferrocell. Well, and that's all it is, with basically mouse milk, which looks like that. Mouse milk and ferrofluid, which looks like that. And believe me, this is like half full, or actually it's not quite half full, and this has lasted me 1 year using, doing my my YouTube channel. Maybe even before I started doing my YouTube channel, I was using this. And I've got 2 more bottles, because I can only buy like 90 milliliters at a time. So anyways, so this is not a bad ferrocell actually. I can't even twist this, it's so tight. This was the one I used for, I don't know, something that had, the ring magnet, I believe, or something. But I just needed to sort of redo it, so I just twisted it, because that's a way to sort of fix it, sort of mush it like that, so that you get the ferrofluid back. And I can't even do that now. It's like so tight, and it's not sealed or anything. So jeez. And so that's basically the ferrocell. I mean, oops, look at that. I just put bubbles in my ferrocell. Ooh, check that out. That's for dropping it. I got some air infiltration there. Nope, no problemo. It's easy to make a new ferrocell, or I can just leave the bubbles. I don't really care anymore about making perfect ferrocells. You can see what you want to see, even if the ferrocell isn't perfect. You can sort of force these things to the edge. And actually, they might actually disappear on themselves occasionally. Oh, one little bubble. A couple little bubbles. Come on, bubble, go away. Come back another day. Yeah, whatever. I'm chasing bubbles around. You can use acrylic. It's not perfectly flat, but you can match the warp fairly well. It's easier if it's square, but you can also spin these and you find you basically find where it is matching the best. You still make a fairly good ferrocell, you know, out of plastic, even though it's not glass or the super expensive glass. Works kind of well. I mean, I got a few little bubbles here from dropping it, but basically you can see what I just did. You just take, you know, slight pressure and put it on the dark spots, and you know, and even that when the light's in there, you don't really notice it that much. Anyways, that's that.